So we're outside Machynlleth Station, where today the Cambrian Rail Partnership are going to launch a brand new app, a bilingual app, that allows people to hear the story of the railway while they're travelling on the line. The Cambrian Coastal Line runs from Pwllheli, down the coast to Barmouth, and all the way down to Aberdyfi. The main Cambrian Line runs from Aberystwyth, across to Welshpool, and to the borderlands into Shropshire and Shrewsbury. The new window-seated app tells the wonderful story of both these lines. The Cambrian Line is rich with history. There's lots of tales, lots of stories to be told. You can just log into the app at any time, at any station on the line, and then jump on the train, clip in your earphones and hear stories as you travel.